5 open source projects are exploding right now. Welcome to GitHub Trends, where I break down the hottest repos developers are raving about this week. What if your infrastructure could heal itself? Kubernetes does exactly that. This production-grade container orchestration platform automatically scales your applications, balances traffic across pods, and restarts failed containers without any manual intervention. With over 101,000 stars and 42,000 forks, it's the industry standard for running containers at scale. Built in Go and maintained by the CNCF, Kubernetes powers everything from tiny startups to Fortune 500 companies worldwide. Star the repo at github.com, Kubernetes. What if your monitoring system could predict outages before they happen? Meet Prometheus, the monitoring tool trusted by over 63,000 organizations worldwide. It pulls metrics from your services, stores them in a powerful time series database, and alerts you the moment something goes wrong. With PromQL, you can query anything from CPU spikes to request latency in seconds. It's the backbone of cloud-native observability. Star Prometheus at github.com, Prometheus, SAT. Prometheus, and start monitoring smarter today. What keeps Kubernetes running when servers crash, etc.? This distributed key value store uses the Raft consensus algorithm to keep your critical data consistent across multiple nodes. When one server fails, your cluster keeps running without losing data. It benchmarks at 10,000 writes per second and is trusted by the CNCF to power production systems worldwide. Simple API, automatic TLS security, and proven reliability. Star the repo at github.com etcdio. Ever wonder what actually powers the Ethereum network? Meet go-ethereum, or Geth, the official Go implementation behind the world's second largest blockchain. With over 50,000 stars on GitHub, this is the code that lets anyone run a full node, validate transactions, and interact directly with Ethereum without intermediaries. Whether you're building decentralized apps or just want to understand how the protocol works under the hood, this is your foundation. Star the repo at github.com/Ethereum Go Ethereum. What powers Netflix, NASA, and LinkedIn servers? Node.js. This open-source JavaScript runtime handles millions of concurrent connections using its event-driven, non-blocking EO model. Built on Chrome's V8 engine, it lets you run JavaScript outside the browser for backend development. With 16,000 GitHub stars, active LTS releases, and backing from the OpenJS Foundation, it's become the industry standard for building fast, scalable N-at-work applications. Star the repo at github.com/node. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you next time.